Welcome aspiring creators and audience. Today let's embark into the journey to unleash your creativity and connect with your audience through Patreon. So let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is to create your Patreon account. To get started your creativity journey, go to patreon.com. Begin by creating an account. Here into the upper side it says get started. It's going to be really easy, guys, to get started and actually having an account. So what I'm going to be doing here is to continue with my Gmail account. It's going to be much more faster to sign in and later on having the basic information so we can move on. But it's important here inside the actual Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is, an amazing place where you can all get started to, let's say, join as a creator or as a supporter. So if you're a member, we can engage with your favorite creator community. If you're creators, we can get started with reaching, engaging, and get paid with valuable fans. You can have an actual video of what exactly is Patreon with the Help Center. So now that you know exactly what is the actual Patreon, is going to be asking you if you wanted to get started to start your own Patreon in just a few steps, to invite fans and connect with them directly for free, or wanted to just join as a fan. So today what we're going to be doing here is to join as an actual fan, and then later on I'm going to be showing you how to get started with an actual creator. So I'm going to go for join as a fan, and now I'm inside the actual Patreon. Now inside the actual Patreon, what you can do is to find creators and follow them so you can see what are the actual projects you're going to be working on. Then later on you can donate to them so you can get started with them. For example, let's say that we wanted to find creators from YouTube, for example. Or here I'm going to go for, let's say, music or games, right? So here, for example, this guy is creating music and reviews and reactions. And this guy has 245 posts, and there are 19,506 followers that are inside here. So this is an actual membership. What they are actually offering here is that we can unlock, if I can make it go quiet, blah blah blah, the Rolling Stone. Here what this guy actually offers is a few reviews about this actual stuff. So if you are a member, here into the upper side you can see that the official hint, this is the foundation. I'm going to be receiving 24 sneak previews of the new videos, access to previous live streams, discounted merch, access to our private Discord, blah blah blah. So you can get started by going here into join, and you are now inside the actual Patreon as a supporter of these guys. Now let's move on into the most important part, which is becoming a creator. So what I wanted to do here is to go into the left part. It says get started by becoming an actual creator. This one's going to be sending us back here where we're actually at. So let's go here and to continue. Now it's going to be asking you, let's name your Patreon. You can always change this later. So let's say, for example, the quiz, let's go for Tech Express, and let's go for next. Now here, next on is going to be asking you to connect your social account if you wanted to. If you don't, let's go now into connect. It's going to be really important to connect your basic information here. Now this is the part where you wanted to define your membership tiers. Once your account has been set up, it's time to define your membership tiers. These are different subscription levels and your patrons can choose, each offering unique benefits. Consider you exclusive content, perks, or experience you can offer a various tiers to entice supporters. As you should see here, down here, we have the Patreon follow along, which is describing your page, make your first public post, polish your page, tell the people, and get started with a paid membership. This is the part what I just told you about the membership tiers. So what you want to do is to define what exactly is your project inside Patreon. Whether you are creating videos for people or exclusive videos for people, or do you want to offer, I don't know, maybe like a game, you wanted to offer an album, whatever. So that's totally optional depending on what you're actually trying to aim for. So here we can get started with our monthly price of my tier. I can go with $5, which I think is like the less thing that I can get started here. And like my tier description, let's say for example, you will have access to, and you go for number 1, number 2, and number 3. You just named all the options you have to. If I hit now into more options, I can see that I have my custom tier. I have my name, my monthly price. I can preview these different currencies, of course. Here's my tier description, my cover image, my tier benefits, and the free trial if I wanted to enable a free trial then. And I have the advanced of them. Later on, I can now hit into save, and my tier has not been saved correctly. Now, this is the part where you can get started with customizing your Patreon page. Personalize your Patreon page to reflect your brand and style. We can add a profile picture, we can add a banner, and a compelling description of your creative journey. Next thing is to create engaging content. Now, the heart of the Patreon lies in the content you create. You can start to share exclusive posts, behind the scenes, special products that are available only to your Patreons. Regularly update your feed to keep your supporters engaged and excited about what is actually coming next. You can monitor and adjust all of this information directly inside the laptop. It says inside. You can see how many people are inside the membership, how many earnings you have made so far, how many posts you have done here, and what are the impressions of today, the surveys you have created, what are you looking forward to the most. You can see everything about your payouts. Here to the upper side, you see now the audience, how many people are inside your actual project, the benefits that you offer, the exit service, and so much more. Lastly, guys, what I wanted to show you is the creator hub of the Patreon. Patreon has an actual creator hub that can be helping you to learn a lot here into the Patreon, how we can get started into Patreon, establish your creativity home base in Patreon, what are the best solution, what is the best way to get started to grow here into Patreon, engaging with the community, connect with more fans, how to build a community here. So there's a lot of tools that can be helping you to make a really great campaign, a really great product inside Patreon, so you're not alone here. But still, if you wanted us to create an actual full workflow video, you can let us know in the comments below. So with that being said, guys, now reached to the very end of the video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools of how we can get started here into Patreon, how we can do all of this in a very easy way. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you into a brand new next video. See you soon.